Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, I have some yogurt and apple, pear, and blueberry right here into some yogurt which I have left over. I'm gonna just simply pour it into my blender, and I have some. I'll put the ingredients in the description box. Alright, go over to my Instagram where all of my ingredients mostly post. Alright. So that's very nice recipe right here. It's just blueberry and yogurt with some pear and grape inside of it. I'm gonna put some more blueberry inside of it. All right, nice one. So I'm just gonna be blending it up. You know what I mean? That's just a quick smoothie recipe to go with the juice, you know, with the meat-free Monday. Wow, that is just lovely. So that's another recipe which I'm just giving you guys. That, you know what I mean, if you're at home and you want to do something totally different, also you can simply make this recipe to go with meat-free Monday. Also, all right, it's just something, guys, I have left over, and I decided to just put that together and share it with you. Why not? You know what I mean? If I have recipe can share with you guys, definitely I will. All right, stay tuned with Chef Ricardo in the kitchen. Nice one. So here it is. I'm just gonna share it up, and as I said, go over to my Instagram and watch this beautiful recipe right here, guys. I got all the ingredients on my Instagram page, which you guys definitely can make at home. All right, I love every one of you guys, and not only that, thank you for your support watching the video. It is amazing, honestly. It's just fantastic, amazing, loving, and you know what I mean, I know you guys definitely always sharing the love to Chef Ricardo. Look at this, beautiful. Let's put some fresh mint in it, just like that. Wow, look at that, Caribbean style. All right, with a twist. So if you like it, subscribe and tell a friend. See you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye. Nice one, guys. I'm gonna give you a simple recipe which I have some leftover fruits in my cupboard, in my fruit basket. I got kiwi, 2 kiwi, and this is some peach right there which I have left over. That's the peach. All right, I'm just gonna be using up. This is some pear right here, and I got some plum also inside of it. It's amazing, guys. It's just leftover fruits. Look at this fruits where I have left over in my fruit basket, guys. Honestly, it is amazing, and all I'm going to do is just put roughly about half teaspoon of honey inside of it, and definitely what I'm gonna do now is just simple put a little bit of orange juice inside of it, and I'm going to blend it for about 2 to 3 seconds, and yeah, share it up. Why not, guys? There's something to share with you, you know. Look at this. It's gonna be amazing, fantastic, lovely, nice, and easy to prepare at home. This is just leftover fruits in my fruit basket, and I'm just gonna do this with it. That's all you need to do with leftover fruits. Don't throw it in the bin. Don't waste your money. Don't waste your time. All right, let's share it up. Nice and lovely, guys. So now, this is exactly what's gonna happen. I'm gonna just simply pour it out inside of this blender. Look at that. So that nice? And that is just like leftover stuff, guys, I have in my cupboard. Not my cupboard, in my fruit basket. And I said to myself, you know what? Why not share this beautiful recipe with you guys? You know what I mean? That's the guys definitely can make this one at home. Alright? So as you can see for yourself, it looks amazing. And if you want, what you can also do is, you know what I mean, simple. Cut a piece of kiwi and put it on it like this if you want. You don't have to, but it's just option. You know? Yeah. Beautiful. Enjoy the recipe. Subscribe. Leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend. And a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. And I say to you guys, I try my best to give you some lovely recipe, and here they are. If you have leftover stuff, don't throw them in the bin. Use them, do something at home in your kitchen and make your family happy. Alright, respect, love you all. See you next time. Bye bye. In the kitchen. Bye bye. It's amazing, guys. Yeah, it's a good one still. You know, this can't throw this in the bin. You know, you have to just blend.